Hello and welcome to another YouTube tutorial. Today we're going to look at BaseService. So, BaseService is a system I've made and it's used as a template for a service. Well, technically a module. I'm just going to call them services. So, let me show you an example on how you can use it. So, let's create a module script and let's call it like player service. And then what we got to do is local base service require base service. Base service, and we're going to do local player service equals to base service extend. We're going to type the name of the service, which is player service. And we're going to return player service like this. And we're going to add an init function. Service init, and this will call in this, and we're going to do let's add players equals this, and we're going to players.player added next function player. And so if we go here, what we have is shared table. So this is a table that gets shared all between the services that uses this. So you can access like player data from everywhere if you just put it in once. So I'll show you an example how to do this. So what we're gonna do is player service shared table. Let's do like player.Name equals to player.user ID. This is what I got here. And yeah, wait, we gotta initialize it so it actually works as well. So what we're gonna do is player service equals require service search player service init like this. And let's print it as well. So if we go to shared table, yeah, just do this. And if you print this, yeah, Quamocl, my user ID. And so let's duplicate this and run this as well. Just call it player service 2, init as well. And instead of players added, we're just gonna add a task.wait. So we're gonna wait until it's actually like loaded in here. So it's actually in the shared table. And we can do it enough. And we're just gonna do player service dot shared table. Oh wait, I gotta print it. Sorry. Player service dot shared table. What I'm gonna do is player service 2, yeah. And let's print it. So you see player service 2 and normal one, as you can see, it's also on the other module. So you can share anything, literally any variable you want, whatever, doesn't matter. And I like this really much. So this is not the only thing you can do though. I'll link this in the description, by the way, the link to it to get this, so you don't have to type it off. And that is GetService. You can actually, wait, let me show you. You can do like function player service, and let's do EA. I'm just gonna call it like this, then print EA. As you can see, we add this here. If you go back to here, I'm gonna do is like base service, get service, and we're gonna do player service 2, as we called it right here. And then we can just do like, right, what did we do? Yay, right? Yeah, yay. And if we, yeah, if we press play, you can see yay. So it's like all connected within this. So it's also a template, and it like connects everything together. And I really like this because it's really useful. You can use it basically for so you don't have to get the data of the player always, and you can just put it in the table or like some global value. And another thing is you can do this also in client. So if you do it here, it's not gonna show the stuff that is in server. It's only gonna show the stuff that is in client. So it's like it's not connected. So this was the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and this will be in the description. Bye.